Hi, this is Fig2 question 3d, and for this question, it's a pretty straightforward question of a disk with slots. When you look at this question, the commands that you use is circle and most probably polar array. You don't want to be drawing all of these segments individually, you'll be using polar array. And since most of the dimensions are circled around this portion, we will be drawing this segment first, right? Now, 8 slots equally spaced, you can tell that with 8 slots equally spaced, this angle here is 45 degrees. So without further ado, let's start. Go to my center line, draw my first center, and draw a line. And then I'll go to the outline. And the outer diameter is diameter 96. Okay. Now there is a PCD, a pitch circle diameter of 50, so I'll just draw that 50. Okay, and the next thing that I'll do is I will draw a center, or I'll draw an outline. Okay, I'll draw an outline, and I'll use outline, sorry, and I'll draw a line, and the line segment I will just give 100 tab and 45 degrees. Okay, so this is a 45-degree line. Alright, actually, okay, can. Then the thing I know is that the slot is 10 mm in width, so actually I need to offset it by 5 mm. So 5, enter, and I select the item that I want to offset, which is this. Sorry, let me try that again. Select offset 5, and the item I want to offset is this, and repeat that command. 5. Okay, and for this one I would want it to be an outline, so I will change it to an outline. Right, now with this I know that I have the slots already, and then what I'll do is that I'll go to the outline and I will draw a circle. Okay, the circle is from here, and I know that it will be I cannot snap the diameter of the circle to this green. Okay, so what I'll do is that I'll draw a circle, center, and I press Control right click, and I want it to be tangent to this line. Okay, that's not working. Let me try again. Control Z. Or actually, since I know that the diameter of the circle is 10, so I'll just write 10. Enter. Okay, and the other circle is also diameter 10. Sorry. Diameter 10. Alright, so you can see that this is the part where you have finished most of the outline, and what you want to do is you want to go through the trimming exercise. So you will trim this, and you will trim these outer arcs. Alright, sometimes you want to get out of the trim command so that you can select the whole large circle and trim. Then you go back to trim again so that you can trim this. Goes through here. Right. This one is gone. This is not needed. Then you trim again. Let's see. Oh. Control Z. Yep. Yeah, you just select this. I don't need this anymore. Select this. I don't need this anymore. You click trim. Yes. So you have this segment out already, right? and you pretty much have that. And what you want to do is you would want to rotate it or do the polar array. And the one that you want a polar array would be this segment, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and once those are selected, you can right click to accept the selection. You will rotate about this center. Okay, and you actually have 1, 2, 3, 4. You actually have 8 instead of 6, so you write 8. Okay, rotated about 360 degrees. So you see you have all this out. You click OK, right? Now what happens next is that you want to go to your center line and you want to create center lines. Okay, lengthen to this. Okay, and you want to lengthen this. Oops, lengthen it further, right to here. And if you don't want to go through that line drawing again, you can always click on mirror and you select this, and then you mirror it across. Okay, it's the same thing. Okay, so you make use of mirror. It's quite a powerful tool. Alright, then what I do next is you trim your center lines. I'm a bit clumsy here, and you trim it close to the circles. Okay, the last one, and you have it there. Alright, and when this is done, you do a quick check to make sure that you have all the outlines that you want to achieve. Okay, and you have all the center lines that you want to achieve. You have the PCD that is here, and everything is drawn and done. Right, with this I end my demonstration. Thank you very much for your attention. I'll see you again soon.